Hi everybody, it's Reina with Double TI and I want to show you this really cool mug. It's the BeneU color changing coffee mug and this heat sensitive reactive. I decided to make a nice gift to my husband, something practical and that he will love. And it's the perfect gift for him because he's a huge fan of One Piece. He loved the comics and the anime. So this is especially unique because it shows Luffy going into Gear 2. The energy field appears when hot liquid is poured into the mug and remains as long as the content is warm. So it's a really cool mug, and if you want to make a gift for someone who is fan of One Piece, this is the perfect gift. And that is my point of view.